Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. We're talking about the Starfrit The Rock 10-piece non-stick cookware set. Now, Starfrit has a reputation for creating durable kitchenware, and this set, with its bold name, certainly aims to live up to that. Let's unpack what makes this set tick and if it's truly worth a spot on your stovetop. First off, let's look at what you get in this 10-piece collection. It's a pretty comprehensive starter set, which is great if you're outfitting a new kitchen or looking to upgrade your existing pots and pans. You receive 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart saucepans, all complete with their own lids. There's also a 6 quart casserole dish, again, with a matching lid, and an 11-inch deep fry pan that also comes with a lid. Having lids for every piece is a big plus, allowing for efficient simmering and trapping in moisture. The standout feature here, and what gives the set its name, is the Rock.Tec Technology. Starfrit claims this unique surface enhancement offers 3 times better release performance than standard non-stick cookware. What does that mean in practice? It means your food should slide off the pan with minimal effort, whether you're frying an egg or searing some chicken. This is crucial for healthy cooking, as it often means you can use less oil or butter. Furthermore, this non-stick surface is touted as being 3 times more durable, designed to resist scratches and abrasions. This is a common pain point with non-stick cookware, where a single scratch can compromise the entire coating, so the promise of enhanced longevity is certainly appealing. Beyond the non-stick properties, the construction of this set is designed for consistent cooking results. It features an extra-thick forged aluminum base. Forged aluminum is known for its excellent heat conductivity, and the added thickness here is meant to ensure optimal and even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. This helps to prevent hot spots, where some areas of the pan get much hotter than others, leading to unevenly cooked food. A significant benefit of this robust construction is that the cookware is guaranteed never to warp. Warped pans can be incredibly frustrating, causing uneven contact with the stovetop and making cooking a hassle. The assurance that these pans will maintain their perfect shape over time is a strong selling point. Versatility is another key aspect of modern cookware, and this Starfrit set doesn't disappoint. It's compatible with a wide range of stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen. This broad compatibility means you're likely covered regardless of what type of cooktop you have in your kitchen. Additionally, the cookware is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, perfect for braising or keeping food warm. Cleaning is often a concern with any cookware, and the non-stick surface, combined with the Rock.Tec Technology, is designed to make this process as easy as possible. You can expect minimal food residue to stick, making it simple to wipe clean. And for those who are conscious about the materials used in their kitchen, this set is PFOA-free, which is a standard expectation for quality non-stick cookware these days. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons to help you decide if this set is the right fit for your home. On the positive side, the inclusion of 10 essential pieces provides excellent value. The Rock.Tec Technology's promise of superior food release and durability is a significant advantage, potentially leading to easier cooking and longer lifespan for the cookware. The even cooking achieved through the thick, forged aluminum base is crucial for consistent results, and the warp-resistant design offers peace of mind. The broad stovetop compatibility and oven-safe feature add to its versatility. Plus, the 3-year warranty provides a layer of security and demonstrates Starfrit's confidence in their product. However, no product is perfect. While the durability is emphasized, non-stick surfaces, no matter how advanced, can eventually wear down, especially with frequent use or if not cared for properly. So, while it's more durable than standard non-stick, it's still something to be mindful of. The oven-safe temperature is limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you frequently cook at higher oven temperatures, this might be a limitation. Also, while the set is comprehensive, some users might find they need specific pan sizes or types not included in this particular configuration. In conclusion, the Starfrit The Rock 10-piece non-stick cookware set presents itself as a robust and user-friendly option for everyday cooking. Its focus on advanced non-stick performance, enhanced durability, and even heating makes it a compelling choice for home cooks looking for reliable cookware that simplifies meal preparation and cleanup. The combination of practical pieces, versatile functionality, and a reassuring warranty positions this set as a strong contender in the mid-range cookware market. Link in the description.